can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? I'm here with Myfirstwig again. Same packaging as last time. Let's go ahead and get into what's inside. So I'm seeing this drawstring bag, and it's branded Myfirstwig. It says quality wigs for beginners. Alright, so obviously the wig is in here. So let's see what else we got in the box. I got this little information paper here. So it's just information on the wig, which we're gonna get to. This is the last thing in the box, which, you know, it's a Myfirstwig pouch. And inside of this, there are two of these clips, which I absolutely love getting. Really help with my curls and stuff. And then lastly in the bag, I have a rat tail comb, and that's everything in today's package. Okay, so inside the bag I actually have a wig cap, right? And then we have today's wig. Guys, this looks and this feels really good. I love how they pre-curled and pre-styled this wig. It looks really top tier. This is a silky body wave, as you can see, natural color lace front wig. This is 16 inches long, medium cap that I got. All right, and it's 160% in density, and it looks really, really good. Okay, like, you guys see that graduation? Really nice. If you're ordering a brand new wig and it doesn't look like this with a hairline, honey, it's always just an amazing feeling when I see the hairline is so nicely pre-plucked. So this is a 13 by 6 lace front. As you can see, the mid portion is what has most of the depth. Yeah, and the lace looks really good. I can see that it's already pre-bleached and tinted, so that's really good. I have extra elastic bands inside for, you know, more security. You know, that's always a good thing. You can go glueless with your wig, because these wigs are always so nicely snugged, so you don't have to be like super hard on yourselves, because these wigs, even though they come like everything is already done for you, so that's why they're always so beginner friendly. And then in the back now I have adjustable straps here, and yeah, this extra lace here, I'm going to remove it. But yeah, this is how it looks. It looks really good. It really is giving that, you know, I won't have to recurl this. It's really nice. Oh, and it's branded Myfirstwig as well. So now that I show you guys that, let's get into installation. So now that I slipped the wig on, I don't want to do too much. I don't want to do too much in terms of, like, you know, application. So what I'm gonna do is the usual, which is cut away the excess on around the ear, and this is already styled so beautifully. You know, it's giving that like gorgeous mom bob kind of vibe, you know, that very luscious body wave kind of vibe. I love that. It looks corporate, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like just cut around. I'll show you guys this in almost every wig install, so I'm gonna fast forward through this.
I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be.
I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna make this like super beginner friendly in terms of the install. Now that I've cut away like the extra lace on the sides, I'm gonna show you guys how to make this install super quick, super easy, super beginner friendly, right? I'm not going to spray my entire hairline. Remember, I tell you how snugged this is. So maybe you do want a little bit more security, you know, for your wig. So the ear portion is still sticking off a little bit. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is only spray the ear portion, and everything else is gonna be completely adhesiveless. Okay, so this you're just kind of like tucking the sides of the wig down, and I'm not going to use a lot of product to achieve today's install either, because this basically came pre-styled already. So I'm just going to apply my got to be right here. That's the only place I'm applying adhesive, and then I'm dry it down with cool air on my blow dryer.
I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you, yeah. I can show you, yeah.
And that's it. So all I need to do now is cut away the excess lace, and you want to get this as close to the hairline as possible, but be sure to not cut away any of the actual hair. Okay, now look how nicely this melts down, and there's absolutely no product. This looks so good. So good, so good, and nothing is there. Okay, no swoops. Yeah, no swoops, no baby hairs. Everything looks super good. I'm just gonna run through this with my hands. I'm gonna use my hot comb to just kind of, you know, tame the top down a little bit from, you know, me just, you know, pulling on it and stuff. But for the most part, honey, this is laid. This is laid. As usual, my first wig, not a disappointment. Not a disappointment at all. Oh, and shedding is minimal. I am getting a few strands. I don't know if you see there. So yeah, now comb through it. It's not excessive though, and I feel like the fact that I cut, you know, the sides, that will definitely accelerate shedding. You see how this is keeping its curls as well? Like that body, the cut, everything is giving. Girl, this cut, wow. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my hot comb. I love the naturalness of this. This wig is perfect for just anybody that digs this kind of vibe. Hold on, I'm just getting that one piece on my face. Yeah, anybody that digs this kind of vibe, you know, it melted down, and I didn't apply any product to it. Like, it looks really good. It looks so good. So this is highly recommended to all, you know, those females who really want to like enjoy the convenience of a really nice and natural looking wig, but you don't have that much time to install it. You want to install it on your own. Like, you don't have all that money to go to the hairdresser and all that stuff, you know. You want to be able to pull it off at night, put it on in the morning, only take 5 minutes or less. This is your kind of wig, you know. And I'm happy that I can always, you know, give you guys variety. I've said this before, but it feels good that, you know, this is a whole wig look. You know, you don't need any edges, no baby hair, no swoops, no nothing. You know, not that you ever do need that, but you know, sometimes it just be like, add a little pizzazz. Right now I'm giving you the option of not doing that, and I do that from time to time, you know. And I love, as I said, I really love how this looks. It looks really, really good. So I am definitely, this is a 10 out of 10. I'm just like always amazed with the quality that, you know, these companies continue to offer. It looks really good. So shout out to Myfirstwig for that. Yeah, as usual, you know, I'm going to be putting the direct link to this wig in my description box, so go ahead and check that out. If you're, you know, if you want to go ahead and purchase this wig, the link will be down there and the specifications will be there as well. And yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It was so easy, so convenient, so quick. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.